What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Obviously, this is a very different setting than I normally film my videos in. And the reason for that is I wanted to let you guys know that my channel is going through a little bit of a transition, a little bit of a positive shift in direction. I know I've had my recipe tutorials on this channel the way they are for, I don't know, 5 or 6 years now. So I thought it'd be a good time to finally change it up and do a few things a little bit different, kind of expand my culinary horizons and my viewers. And I know you guys draw a lot of inspiration from some of the recipes that I do, and changing up the filming style a little bit and incorporating a little bit more on-the-go footage and things like that would be beneficial for you guys and myself, just kind of stepping out of my environment that I'm really used to right now. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying the content that I've been posting. I really appreciate the grace that you guys have been giving me. I know there's going to be some transition time, some getting used to some of the new content, and for me to refine it and just get better and better at it, just like I did my other tutorials. So I really appreciate all the amazing feedback that you guys have been giving me, and the constructive criticism is it's definitely well received. So I appreciate all the positivity, but I'm gonna intro this recipe today. I'm gonna be doing something out here in this shack. I'm gonna be trying to film more in this space just because it's on my property and I'd really love to use it. I'm not really like a carpenter, and I'm not gonna be doing any metal work in this shack, so I feel like it was fitting to set it up as like a kitchen workshop, and I could show you guys a different angle of how I work, and just switching it up for myself as well. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed the content, and today I'm going to be showing you guys I believe this is the Guava Tartine. Really delicious. I went to Grand Central Market the other day. I had a blast eating pupusas and looking at all the cool dried spices they had there, and they had a really cool market. Picked up some guava, got some burrata cheese, some country bread, and made a really cool tartine. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and check out the recipe. This would be basically like an assembled tartine. Super simple, burrata, olive oil, the guava, yeah, or guayaba, yeah, guava. Guayaba, huh? It's got a little sugar in the pan, balsamic, make a little gastrique. And while that's going, I'm just gonna cut some of these up. Take the tops off. And really, I'm just gonna be using the flesh on these because the seeds are really hard. That's okay, because I'll use those for an ice cream. The pulp's still really good on that. I swear it smells exactly like passion fruit. Texture on these are super, super creamy. It's almost like kind of at the peak, ripe moment of their life. This is like a little pouch, like assorted dried peppers. You grind it up, super easy. There were some really good dried peppers at Grand Central Market. I mean, you could really go crazy with this and add, aromatics and onions and all that good stuff, but it's so simple, especially cooking out here. Keep it simple, not too complicated. I'm gonna transfer this guy here. Get this hot. This one's cold, so right away it kind of congeals, thickens up, so that's good. Silky smooth. This guy, my beautiful Miyabi bread knife. It's gonna be a shaky table, so watch out. What are you thinking? I'm like, that's pretty good, huh? Oh, this is beautiful bread.
Nice bakery.
Yeah, it is. A little bit of olive oil, salt. All right. Smoky. Nice. I love you, bread. You grilled bread. Nice. I'm gonna cut up my guava. So with these, I mean, there's so many ways to go about it, You could just kind of have fun with it. Just a couple strips. A little bit of olive oil on these guys. Tiny bit of salt. That's what you want. These guys are ready to go. A couple little wedges here and there. A couple little piles of it, you know. You do not have to be sparing with this burrata. It's like the base. And I mean, obviously burrata is just like one of those cheeses that's super, maybe even overused, but there's a reason for that. It's because it's delicious. Next is these guys. So I'll place a couple here and there. Yeah, you want these to be a decent amount. Almost like dessert, like tartine. I'm gonna put these on the board. And I'm gonna dress them with the balsamic. Sticky icky. So with this, you don't wanna go too crazy with it because it's already gonna be a little sweet. Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. Finishing a pepper. And this little pouch is to make sure that you don't go too crazy because you can go crazy with the pepper. Boom, boom, boom. Finish. Cut it up and eat it. And whoever gets the piece with the most burrata wins. Wins the day. All right, here we go. The bread actually makes it really pop because the grilled flavor kind of toned down the sweetness. You get just like a hint. You get just a hint of the guava. It to be kind of savory, a little sweet. Wow, it's so easy. That is a beautiful tartine. So what is this? Grilled country bread with burrata, guava, and spicy pepper tartine. It's pretty good. You gotta make sure it overlaps, otherwise some of that frozen yogurt's gonna pop out the sides. All right, beautiful. Put these guys on the side.